In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bitrate for smaller file size in Media Encoder. If you've ever exported a video and the file ended up larger than you expected, bitrate is the key setting that lets you shrink that size while keeping quality in check. I'll walk you through where to find it, how it works, and how to make smart adjustments. Start in the queue inside Media Encoder. Find the item you plan to export as H.264, then click the blue preset name shown under the Preset or Format column. That blue text is a shortcut that opens the Export Settings window for that item. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in Export Settings, head to the Video tab. Scroll down until you see Bitrate Settings. Think of bitrate as how much data per second your video is allowed to use. Higher numbers mean more detail and bigger files. Lower numbers mean smaller files but less detail. The goal is to find a balance that looks good for your content and target platform. You'll see two fields or sliders. Target bitrate, measured in megabits per second, is the average data rate your file will aim for over the whole video. Maximum bitrate is the ceiling the encoder won't cross, even during complex high-motion moments. To reduce file size, start by lowering the target bitrate. This has the most direct impact on size. Then bring down the maximum bitrate to keep sudden spikes under control. Make small changes, check the results, and avoid drastic drops unless your project is very simple, like a talking head video with minimal motion. A helpful guide sits right in the window. Look to the bottom left of Export Settings, and you'll see an estimated file size that updates as you adjust the bitrate. As you nudge the target and maximum values down, watch that estimate fall. This gives you a quick way to predict how much space you'll save before you commit to encoding. If the estimate looks great, but you're worried about quality, remember that too. Low bitrates can introduce blocky artifacts, smearing in fast motion, or softer details. If you see those issues in test exports, raise the target slightly until the picture holds up. When you're happy with the balance, click OK to save your settings. Your queue item now carries those bitrate values, so the next time you encode that preset, you'll get a smaller file size aligned with the targets you just set. And that's all there is to it. Simple changes that can make a big difference in storage and upload times.